see me on Quick 32 nights. I'm out there checking all our customers out with our fuel pumps, belt drives, fuel logs, and carburetors. Today I'm going to show you properly how to put a fuel filter together in case you guys have problems. On most of them they say inlet. This is a new one that I've just pulled out of the box, but they will say inlet. You'll insert the spring in the grooved area. You will put the filter with the blocked off, not the open hole. If fuel went in the open hole, it would expand the filter and it would make the carburetor not receive fuel, and it will blow the filter up like a balloon. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the block side by the spring. Then you're going to put it inside the canister. You're going to screw this on. Then the side that has the open hole and the outlet side will screw onto like this. And you'll see there's a little rubber O-ring in there to seal it so it's nice and tight. And that's how it will go. If you put it in the opposite way, it will expand and will not work. If you have any questions, please call myself, Mark, Travis, or Joe at 407-422-0394. Thank you and have fun racing.